Why are the carbon and oxygen cycles so pivotal to life on Earth? This question might seem complex, but the answer is surprisingly simple. The carbon cycle and the oxygen cycle are two of the most crucial biogeochemical cycles on our planet, and they are interlinked in a fascinating dance of life, death, and rebirth. Imagine Earth as a colossal self-contained terrarium. The carbon cycle is one of the crucial systems that allow this terrarium to function, moving carbon from the atmosphere into living organisms and back again. Plants, you see, take in carbon dioxide from the air and use it to produce glucose during photosynthesis. When animals eat these plants, they take in that carbon and use it to build their own bodies. Eventually, this carbon returns to the atmosphere through respiration, decomposition, or combustion. Now, shift your focus to the oxygen cycle. It's a similar dance, but with a different lead. Oxygen is released into the atmosphere by plants during photosynthesis, and it's used by most living organisms during respiration. When animals, plants, and other organisms respire, they consume oxygen and produce carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide then becomes a raw material for photosynthesis, and the cycle continues. In essence, the carbon cycle and the oxygen cycle are two halves of the same coin. Photosynthesis and respiration are the heartbeat that pumps these elements through the biosphere. These cycles are the breath of the planet, inhaling carbon dioxide and exhaling oxygen in a never-ending rhythm of life. This rhythm is so steady, so reliable, that we often take it for granted. But understanding these cycles is more than just an interesting science lesson. It's a way of understanding the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. So, to summarize, the carbon cycle moves carbon from the atmosphere into living organisms and back again. The oxygen cycle, on the other hand, is a flow of oxygen from the atmosphere through living organisms and back. Both cycles are powered by the processes of photosynthesis and respiration, creating a balance that sustains life on our planet. In the grand scheme of things, these cycles reveal the intricate interconnections that bind all life on Earth. Every breath we take, every morsel of food we eat is a part of these cycles. They remind us that we are not separate from nature, but an integral part of it. And so, the dance continues, the rhythm of life, powered by the carbon and oxygen cycles. As we move through our days, let's remember the unseen processes that sustain us and strive to protect and preserve the delicate balance of our planet.